Good evening from beautiful Bali Island. I know it's been a really while when I was traveling somewhere, so I'm sorry about that. So many life circumstances, but for everybody of you who's seeking for new stuff on my YouTube channel, next week I'm going to Java for a few days, and I'm not going to Jakarta, so gonna be something very interesting for a few days. Two different cities, some moving around, definitely something different, something interesting. And also in September, October, I'm gonna travel somewhere far for more than 5 weeks combined. Also a lot of it's gonna happen on this channel. But yeah, for next upcoming days you can expect Bali. Hope so you didn't get bored yet with it. But how you can get bored with Bali, by the way? I made so many videos from this island, and it's always nice to be here. By the way, I'm in Sanur right now, if you haven't realized yet. Nice place at the front of the Hyatt Regency hotel. The previous place, what you saw previously, that was Andas, which is also belongs to Hyatt. Hyatt building is there. I'm gonna show you the pool situation and stuff. Kids enjoying the swing. Very tropical vibe, very easygoing vibe in general. People doing some yoga over there. Nice gardens. Sunset there. Sun gonna be soon. That's the very nice actually part of Sanur, probably the best, with the beach, the tropical vibe, hotel on the other sides. You can cycling, you can walk, separate path, brand new, people playing volleyball, beach volleyball. Overall it's pretty high, middle low I could say, middle high, however, like a medium. But you can see already as the water is covered, so it's gonna be high tide at night time. And this is the sunbeds, belongs to the Hyatt Regency Hotel promenade swimming pool situation. It is how it is, what I'm gonna tell you. Very enjoyable place, you can jogging, you can just simply enjoy. It's very windy, so not that many people by the sunbeds. It's actually pretty windy. It's wind season still, but pool situations, here you go, that's the pool. Very nice, cozy place, and one of the best hotels in Sanur. Probably actually the best one. That's the pizzeria restaurant. Long time ago, the best pizza in whole entire Bali. Now maybe kind of very good in Bali still. Still very good for Sanur. And that's the situation. They also have a nice decorations, the boats. Beach is public, so actually if you are behind the sunbeds, you can enjoy the time. There are plenty locals enjoying, and of course the promenade is also public, you can stroll, enjoy. But in case if you would like, this is also a nice place for a dinner, oceanfront. However, it's very windy, so it's a little bit chilly if you're gonna sit there. But yeah, for me it's no problem. Actually the weather like this is perfect for me, because it's not that hot as usual. It's a little bit windy, the cooler wind, and also for some reason it feels a little bit quiet today in Sanur. It's 5:25, so it's not that early, but yeah, it's like sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's not. I'm gonna show you now the area of the restaurants, where in case if you're staying around in this hotel or other hotels, you can stroll, you can have some lunch, dinner, and enjoy your time outside the hotels, of course. And for the next upcoming few minutes, I'm gonna show you the best restaurant stroll around, where you can find so many nice restaurants for lunch, dinner, hangout. This is famous La Playa, what's up? Famous La Playa, pretty busy, pretty successful as always, quite a lot of people enjoying their time. I'm gonna show you 360, not so bad. Then you can rent the jet skis, of course, if you like. And there is another one. There's actually all the restaurants here. The best ones are actually in this part of Sanur. So if you're looking for some dining by the beach, definitely this part of Sanur is the best. There's the name of the beach. In case if you don't want to go through the Hyatt, you can go just to the public beach as well. There's some new place here. The Pantai Duyung, that's the name. You can just come, you can park your bike, or your driver gonna drop you there, or taxi, and you can just come here. And if you turn right, you will see all the restaurants like this one. Starting from the first one here, the reggae music from the speakers. And then there is also very good place for pizza and generally for lunch. If somebody asking me where is the nice place in Sanur to eat, this one is the best. Find the name, Google it. It's very good. Hello! How are you today? Thank you. Very nice. Also, you have a sitting. You can sit directly by the beach, which is cool. The another one is like this one, the bamboo, little bit less fortunate. And then it's omba, great for morning coffee and pastry, or afternoon beer, and they can also enjoy by the beach, like this one. Overall, this is how it is. Then you have some bracelet shop, of course, all of the stuffs. Then is another one, yeah, like this one, cozy vibe, cozy situation. That was Barramundi Sanur. Then is another one, izakaya. Also some people enjoying the time. All of the restaurants have a similar sitting by the beach, similar concept, because they have a brand new like a patio, wooden stuff, and then this legendary Lila Pantai, where you can sit directly on the sand. In case if you feel as you wanna sit by the sand, this is the place. It looks like this one is also the most busy recently. Lila Pantai, remember the name. Quite a lot of people, together with local Indonesian and foreigner. So you can see like this one. You can sit by the beach, even the wind not distract people, or you can sit inside also like this one. This is it. And then you have quite a lot of people in this part of, because everybody looking for restaurants, maybe perhaps next to Nest. That's the spa place. The little doggo, actually not that little, it looks like a good shaped doggo. And it's also the tour box, reseller, of course. And then you can walk more and more. And there was another one. This one is the most expensive place, by the way. If you don't mind to overpay, then the other ones you can also come here. Nyoman, they're also similar sitting like everywhere else by the beach. And then after that, there will be InterContinental hotel just behind this box, which is already belongs to InterContinental. And the beach situation, as always, everywhere in Sanur looks pretty like this one, very cozy. Sanur is always cozy, I'm gonna tell you. And basically this bar inside and the restaurant outside, all of this belongs to InterContinental hotel. In case if you would like to stay in the InterContinental, this is how does it look like outside. They have some promotion by Satay by the Bay, something like that. And that's also tables now on the beach, very nice. Not so many people though. So basically today's stroll is between Hyatt and Andas up to InterContinental hotels, and what is between. There in the between there are simply restaurants, few of them, so now you have a comprehensive view and guide, because recently quite a lot of people ask me about where to have lunch or dinner in Sanur. Now I told you my recommendations. Of course you can go wherever you like, but at least you have a point of view. I'm gonna show you also two more places where actually outside the InterContinental, which basically this is the swimming pool of What's happened to this coconut tree, by the way? This is the swimming pool, and then you have another restaurant which calls Tafa. Popular for the expats, especially for the lunchtime, but also dinner time should find some expats community and also live band. Usually after 6 or 7 they start to play. Also by the beach you can sit. Looks like this one. Nice place, been here once, it's alright, but not my favorite one. Anyways, and also you have this fancy surfboards, electric surfboards, actually gasoline one, fancy stuff you can rent, and also some other water sports, I guess, activities, Heaven's Corner. This is the name. I'm gonna go later there. There's another place. I wanna show you a little bit of the beach, and maybe I'm gonna catch some sunset situation. That's the like a more local vibe here, because there's a lot of oxygen. And actually I will zoom it for you if I can. Here we go. They transporting the goods from the diving. They usually divers going at morning from this side of the beach. I'm gonna get there soon. And also you can enjoy the free gazebo or bale. Relax here, just come. And the Sanur beach looks basically like this one. Actually the tide, it was high, it's getting to be small at night, because you can see how's the signs of the, this one thingy here. It was actually wet and now it's going smaller. I guess it looks like this one. Anyway, sometimes it's high tide, sometimes it's low tide. And also in the background you can see there, exactly there, Mount Agung volcano, which is the highest volcano and highest mountain in Bali. Very nice weather today, so you can see everything like this one. If it's cloudy, you are not that fortunate. There is Serangan Island. There's a private project right now, Kura. Very interesting also, but they don't let you even to enter, and the kids playing the kites, basically, and private villa at the front where is strong sun. Over there, as I said, there's very nice looking private villa, but you cannot see much because they put the big wall and stuff. And if you go more and more after InterContinental, there is more local vibe. As you can see, more Indonesian people will stroll around. Oops. And yeah, basically this is how they look like. Also, you can find some locals to chat with them if you like to, or drink arak or something, because that's what they are doing actually all day long. And yeah, and that was the Australian restaurant long time ago, but the guys go back to home. They're building something here like a shed on another church or sanctuary, actually gonna be basically they have a little torches here. Here we go, I zoomed it for you. So this is also very popular in Sanur recently, and that's going something good for the environment. And then there is the Pantai Semawang. In case if you would like to come perhaps into this area, there is also a Studia di Pantai parking situation like this one. At morning is busy because they delivering all of this one, and also a lot of local people hanging out here. Basically, you will find only locals in this restaurant, Indonesian. I'm not sure if they are from Bali or from other islands in Indonesia, but you can find like them, and they singing the reggaeton. I hope so. I'm not gonna get a copyright strike for that. And here we go. This is how it looks like. And also gonna have a music like everywhere nowadays. And practically you have a box like this one as well. And you can walk through the beach like this one. And this is it. Basically, this is it. Oh, great spot to show you how they are loading the oxygen gas, actually, bottles like this one. Cool. And overall the beach situation and the bar situation like this one. I have now complete guide, at least 1/3 of Sanur beachfront, where to dine and what you can find, what hotels. Another part is on the other side of the Hyatt, where is the birdhouse and Sagara village and Sagara in general, Sagara beach. I also showed you many times, gonna go in next occasion. And on the other side where I'm facing now, but the sun is so sharp as you can see from my sunglasses, there is the old part of Sanur where you can find the Mercure, for example, Mercure Hotel or Prama Hotel in Sanur. But less restaurants to find in the previous area. So this one is definitely kinda east side on the beachfront. Next time I'm gonna show you something on the street, on the Tamlingan street. But that's it for today's video. Hope so you enjoyed Sanur today from me. I will see you tomorrow next one. See ya. Take care.